Okay, so we've got 10 tagged sheep and 20 untagged sheep. So in total we've got 30, of which 10 out of the 30 are tagged. So our chance of picking at random and getting a tagged sheep is 1 in 3. Our chance of picking at random and getting an untagged sheep is 2 out of 3. So in total, we are going to take 4 sheep. So this is that we're going to pick out 1, and then they're returned back into the group, and then another one is taken out. So we never change from having 30 sheep in that group. So considering that it says what is the probability that the number of tagged sheep selected on a given day is 0, what we're looking for is the probability that tagged is equal to 0. Well, this is basically the chance that we pick untagged 4 times. So untagged, then untagged, then untagged, then untagged, which is just 2 to the power of 4 over 3 to the power of 4, which is 16 on 81. Nice and easy. So, what's the probability that at least one tagged sheep is selected on a given day? Well, this is what's the probability that tagged is greater than or equal to 1. Now, considering that this is a discrete set of data, greater than or equal to 1, well, we could say this is the same as the probability tagged is equal to 1 plus probability tagged is equal to 2, and so on until 4. Or we could look at the other side of the coin and say, okay, well, actually, this is the same as 1 minus the probability that tagged is less than 1. And the probability that tagged is less than 1 is actually just the probability that it's 0. Because if it's less than 1 with a discrete value, it's 0. So this is just 1, take away our answer from above, which was 16 on 81. So we get 1 take 16 on 81. So technically we've got 81 on 81, take 16 on 81. And this is just going to be 65 on 81. Nice and easy. Right, so we've got 6 consecutive days. So 6 consecutive days is going to be 6 days where they're picking 4 sheep on each day and constantly returning them. So 6 consecutive days, in total 24 sheep are going to be selected and put back. So this is basically saying what's the chance that we get 24 untagged sheep in a row. Now, 24 tagged sheep in a row, because we don't want to get any tagged sheep. Now this is supremely unlikely because this is 2/3, all right? And this is us picking 24 of them in a row. Okay, I mean, we can do some more working around that, but essentially that's our answer, because this is 2/3, and 1 day of picking 0 of them is this. But then we've got 6 days. So still, same answer. 2/3 to the power of 24. All done.